my name is Anushka and today I'm going to show you how to do the messy bun. It's one of the simplest, easiest, no-brainer hairstyles and it's great for when you're having a bad hair day, if you're running errands, or if you just happen to have a Zoom call that you need to attend. The messy bun has been my go-to hairstyle all through the lockdown, and if you want to learn how to ace it, stick around.
Start by parting your hair down the middle. Take out a few sections in the front to frame your face. Now tie your hair in a rough ponytail. Loosen some strands from top to give it that messy look and to add volume. Now twist the ponytail around itself and secure it with U-pins. And there you have it, a simple and easy messy bun.
I hope you liked this video. All it takes is a little bit of practice to nail this bun right here. Let me know what you thought about it in the comments below, and don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to BeBeautiful. Bye!